Oh wow, how beautiful. So fun! Oh, how cute! Wow, this place is beautiful. Yay! Hi you guys, I just realized that I never formally introduced this vlog. Welcome to my bachelorette trip. We are in Arizona. We are like in Phoenix, Sedona, and Scottsdale is kind of like the entire gist of it. Just to catch you guys up to speed, we landed I think around 10 a.m. our flight. We literally woke up I think at like 3:45 is when I woke up this morning. Got on the flight, landed 10 a.m. and then baggage claim took so long, which was fine. We eventually got our bags, so it's really no big deal. And then we went to the car rental and we had like my sister had the car rental and everything set up already, but it took I swear like an hour and a half if not longer. Like it was a really long process, so we were just there a lot longer than we thought we were gonna be. But we finally made it to the Wander property, which is like where we're staying. It's so cute. Oh, that color is really fun. I'm honestly just putting on a little bit of makeup because I know that I'll want like some fun pictures and everything. We're having a hibachi night, so someone is coming and cooking hibachi for us. I feel like my brain is working on halftime right now. But the other girls right now, they're either taking a nap or they are watching the Winter Olympics because the women's free skate is on right now. And of course, all of us want to watch. I'll introduce you guys to the girls soon. I realized that I didn't do that either. I think honestly that's everything. I just kind of wanted to introduce you guys, catch you guys up. It's also PJ night. And apparently there's a surprise, I think it's slideshow night, which I've always wanted to do that. So I'm really excited. My maid of honor, Lindsay, set all of this up. Me and her have been friends, oh my gosh, since 3rd grade, I think. And fun fact, we've actually never lived in the same city for longer than a month, 2 months. I don't even know. Every single time that we move to the same city, one of us leaves. So I think I'm just gonna put on mascara and then call it a day. I tried to kind of like redo my hair, but it doesn't have to be perfect. I just kind of wanted it to look decent. But catching you guys up to speed.
Meet the girls! We got Paige.
Woo!
We got Lauren.
Woo!
We got Kiana.
Yeah.
She's the bride, by the way.
You didn't do yourself?
Lindsay.
Woo!
And Hayden.
Woo!
Brandon. Jim Bro behavior. And he is 6'2".
The staring into the fire abyss. She literally just did
I
that.
want you to notice these soulless eyes. So, interesting facts about Ben. His superpower, but it's his superpower, so it's really something special.
Yes. I'm growing to like him.
He is you.
In his hand. Ben is banned from at least 3 local candle factories. Who is Kiana gonna become? Bye, Kiana.
Bye.
Get out of here.
Fair enough.
It's your time to leave.
Luca!
Hey yo, Luca.
Yeah! Hell yeah!
So,
Yeah!
I need to see
personality.
very strongly of cologne. He's
Time. What is your name, Lindsay? Brian?
Hello, Brian!
Cutie!
So, Brian likes long walks. He likes long walks on the beach. Farewell.
Farewell. Bye-bye.
Hello,
Sean!
6'2".
Oh, hi, John.
He's artsy.
We got Mary Kill. So, number 1, Jacob Elordi as Nate Jacobs. Jacob Elordi as Felix Catton and Saltburn.
Oh, that transition. Slow-mo.
So fat Jonah Hill.
Oh.
He ranks higher if he's fat.
Okay,
Skinny guy.
kill the no-neck guy.
I would marry Day to be
Bad Bunny.
Oh.
Bad Bunny. Or role model.
He's a character from the movie Tangled, also known as Eugene Fitzherbert.
Yeah.
Because he's a sly fox. Like,
The whole entire PowerPoint, it's Brady. Americanized Italians.
What's your Italian?
I'm gonna say pink.
Final answer.
yeah.
Donna's favorite color is definitely pink.
What's Kiana's favorite snack?
Oh, God. Bobos.
Kiana's favorite snack is Bobo, but specifically the apple.
What's Kiana's favorite memory of you together?
Oh.
See, mine's not funny. Mine's like.
I'm gonna say it was like within one of the first months that we were dating, and it's us on the boat in the lake, and we were staring up at the stars listening to a song.
So I actually have 2 answers for this one. The first one is when we had first just met each other. We ended up staying together at the lake for a week, and we went out one night to watch the sunset, and then we also saw all the stars. So that's probably her favorite romantic memory of the 2 of us. But one that she might like even more is when we were driving in my dad's truck, and I was trying to show her a cool new dance that I learned, and I almost knocked myself out on the window of my dad's truck.
Now we're going on a pink Jeep tour, and we just got Chipotle, and we ate it so fast. We all got hats. Where's Lindsay? Is Lindsay getting a hat? Oh, Lindsay's getting a hat. Okay. Aw, the cutest little girl.
And I got Oreos.
Oh.
I got a sticker.
Stash. Very nice. Very nice. I got one too. And gloves. It's cold out. God.
It's hard with my nails.
Yay! Well,
Cheers.
cheers. Yay.
Happy Saturday, you guys. Sorry, I have been MIA this morning. I just finished getting ready. This is my little outfit. Today's technically like denim day, downtown Scottsdale day. It's gonna be a really fun day. It's gonna be really great. And yeah, I really like my outfit. I think it's super like fun and different. I'm excited about it. And perfume. I need to put on perfume and then I'll be ready to go. Let's go to downtown Scottsdale or Old Town Scottsdale, whatever it's called. Sunday and we're getting brunch and then we're headed to the airport and it's going to be bye-bye Phoenix and Scottsdale, but first it's like Asian Mexican fusion. I'm excited. This so far has been the best food that we have gotten so far. It is so good. So if you guys are in Scottsdale, Phoenix area, Sumo Maya is like a brunch spot and it's bottomless, but it's so good. It's so worth it. But I feel so bad because I'm like so full. The food is so good. I gotta stay on my dress. All that being a bride is teaching me is that I am not allowed to wear white because I just literally gonna stay on everything. But it's from Princess Polly. I thought it was so cute. Also, everywhere here is like a club. Like they have a DJ outside of the restaurant right now, which is so funny to me. On Sunday brunch, there's a DJ. Anyways, super fun. So yummy.